Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create paint cover minimal background design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape. You can give gradient fill color, gradient panel, right gradient slider color, R185, G27, B97, left gradient slider color, R255, G242, B0. Angle 90 degree. Go to Object menu and Lock and Selection, Ctrl 2. Go to Windows menu and Brush Libraries and Artistic Ink. Select Darken Wash Brush. Stroke Color R237, G28, B36. Stroke Weight 100 point. Blending Mode Overlay. Draw vertically. Draw a horizontal shape. Select all and right click and clipping mask. Finally, your paint cover minimal background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create paint stroke background design in Adobe Illustrator.